Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I already have a base coat on my nails. I'm taking these tips from BTARTBOX. I'm going to actually apply it with some Jimmy Gel. And these tips are already prepped for you, and I do have a base coat on already. So these ones are already kind of rigid in there. Make sure you keep your gel out of the way and just kind of squeezing it on. And applying a little bit more. Taking my MELODYSUSIE lamp, which is my absolute favorite, and 45 degree, push down and cure. Literally love these tips. 45 degree, push down. There's a little bit too much gel on that one, but that's okay. 45 degree, push down. Oh, we're gonna try that again. 45 degree, push down. Way too much. I will say with this one, it helps if you go with the gel over to the black. That way you act. Baby. So I would never, ever, ever advocate having these big bubbles in your nails, but I have a peel off base under here, so I think that is actually what's lifting. So since I'm doing this for a tutorial, make sure you don't have bubbles. Like, make sure it looks like that one, no bubbles. But we're just gonna pretend that that does not exist. Take whatever pink you're using. I'm just using this one from Light Elegance. And I do like to go over the entire nail with this. Oh, I guess that's not in frame. Before I build up this little back section. Again, I'm gonna repeat what I just did. So go back to the cuticle, and I'm running it down the entire nail. Taking that smaller bead, and we are going to infill that back section. I actually put too much over that, but that's okay. And like I said, please don't have bubbles on your nails like I do, but this is just for the tutorial. I realized I wasn't recording. I just placed a sticker taking black gel polish. Gonna just put it down on my desk, which will be out of frame for you. I am going to kind of un-French this one with the black polish. And I did buff my nails, by the way. This is literally the best color in the world right now. I realized I wanted it opaque, so I'm gonna revert. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. And then a trick to make you seem more opaque, just drop some in the middle and drag it down. So I am gonna fix my French just because that pink did end up making the black not really black anymore. So that was my fault. Super easy to do because literally just follow the outline. And place them on here. I just took a little black because I don't want it to be so pretty. And take a brush you don't care about, dip it in acetone and or alcohol, just so it gives it a little bit of something and not so, it's like a fake marble. This one, I'm just going to do a glitter French. So I don't feel like I need to touch up the black, plus this one was not that bad. I'm gonna do the same marbling-ish. I'm gonna paint some cobwebs. All right, here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm absolutely obsessed with these tips. I wish I could wear these nails, but you know, your girl can't. So I'll make sure to link everything down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.